Tesla has inaugurated its Robstown Lithium Refinery near Corpus Christi, Texas, marking a significant milestone as the first large-scale, battery-grade lithium refinery in the U.S. Key details include: Tesla's Robstown refinery is the first to use an acid-free lithium refining process. The facility is expected to produce 50 GWh of battery-grade lithium annually once it reaches volume production. The refinery supports Tesla's mission to accelerate the global transition to sustainable energy. It aims to increase North America's supply of lithium hydroxide, reducing dependence on China, which currently dominates global lithium refining. And the facility broke ground in May 2023 with construction costs valued at $375 million. The site was initially slated for production in Q1 of 2024, but has been progressing steadily. And Tesla is hiring for positions at the Robstown facility, contributing to local job growth. This refinery represents a crucial step in localizing the EV battery supply chain in North America. It aligns with U.S. efforts to bolster domestic mineral processing to reduce reliance on overseas production, especially from China. Tesla's new lithium refinery exemplifies the company's commitment to innovation and sustainability, while reinforcing its leadership in the transition to clean energy. Let us know your thoughts in the comment area. Don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.